Welcome to my channel Rathak Science and Tech. Today I will discuss about bulk PDF generator. It's a simple web script used to convert multiple Office files to PDF. Especially when you require a large number of Office files to be converted to PDF, this is very useful. You can use it in batch mode. You don't need any user interaction. You can run it in night time or your off time, and then in the morning you can get the PDF files ready. So using that utility, we are converting Excel, Word, and PowerPoint to PDF. This utility also generating a CSV file, a log file to track your output and input files. From here, you can get the path of input files, the Office file, the PDF file, the output, how it's, and the conversion date and conversion time. Especially when you're running for multiple days, multiple time, you can have the same log file. The data will be in the same log file, and you can filter it with the date. So for which date, for particular date, we want the data, the PDFs, and you can sort with the time. This is a very useful log file. To run that utility, you need to make sure that you have Office installed in that machine where the VB script is getting executed. And in Office, you should have that plugin, add in PDF or XPS, save as PDF or XPS. That adding should be there. Without that adding, the VB script won't work. Now I will show you how to run that VB script utility. So this is our VB script utility bulk PDF generation.vbs. So you can run with a batch. You can create a batch file like this, or you can straight or run it in a command prompt, Windows command prompt. So here I'm giving the name of that utility, web script, and that input files folder, which containing the input files, and the output folder, where the PDF will be placed. This is our input file. We have Word, Excel, and PPT, both docx, and Excel, XLX, PPT. So we are covering both 2003 and 2007 format of Office. And the output PDF. The CSV log file, you can delete it or it can stay there. If it is not there, then they will create a new file, that's CSV file. If it's already there, they will just append the logs in that files. So you can just click on the batch and files will get generated in the output folder. You have to wait for some time, but it will take some time to validate all the files and all that. Once all the files got converted to PDF, you will get this kind of message, script execution completed. So this will inform you that all the files got converted. So now you can check in that output folder how it got generated. You can check log files. We have 6 files got generated, PDF files got generated, and you can check in the log. So I want to get the latest file first. So you can sort with the time. So they are just the smallest. Yeah. So I'm getting the latest file was 439.07 to 439.47. There's 6 files got converted, and these are the files. The PDF, all this PDF file, the Word, Excel. You can also check the PDFs if they're correct or not. This was Excel file and it got generated correctly. I hope this utility is a very useful utility for you And if you really think it's very useful utility, please like that video. You can also download that baby script from the link I have provided. From there you can download the baby script. If you know baby script, you can edit or modify it or improvise with baby script so that you can use it for your own purpose. If you need me to improvise it, you can give me a feedback. So you can always contact me. I hope I will also come up with more useful videos, more useful utilities. In next video, I am going to discuss about how we can use that baby script as cron job.